Health risks of GMO soy. They aren't the same. So why does our government continue to allow them? According to the latest research, genetically modified soy accumulates formaldehyde, which is a chemical carcinogen. GMO soy is not equivalent to its non-GMO counterpart, and therefore is not safe for human consumption. July 30th, 2015. Genetically modified soybean is made by genetic engineering techniques. According to the latest research, it accumulates formaldehyde, which is a chemical carcinogen. Research published in the peer-reviewed Journal of Agricultural Sciences stated that genetically modified soy greatly affects the ability of the plant to deal with the stress. An MIT-trained biologist, Dr. V.A. Shiva, utilizes cytosolve, a computational systems biology method, to integrate the experimental results of 184 scientific institutions. It reveals the drastic accumulation of formaldehyde and the depletion of glutathione. Glutathione is an antioxidant which plays an important role in the prevention of free radical accumulation. Free radicals damage the cellular components and disrupt the normal physiology of the cell. The GMO can be considered safe for human consumption if it follows the basic principle of substantial equivalence. It means that the GMO should be substantially equivalent to its non-GMO counterpart. If we take formaldehyde and glutathione as a criteria for the assessment, then GMOs are not equivalent to its non-GMO counterpart, which means they're not safe for human consumption. Dr. Shiva believes that this study will help to develop transparent industry standards and advanced computational biology methods for the proper testing of GMOs. Many scientists and physicians are supporting this study and believe that it's still premature to approve GMO until more advanced standards are created to ensure the safety of GMOs for human consumption. Dr. Shiva stated that we're not following the proper scientific methods to approve GMOs. Depletion of glutathione and accumulation of formaldehyde causes deleterious effects on health. Even a small recombinant DNA has the potential to cause a large disturbance in molecular systems. Dr. Ray Seidler, a former EPA scientist, stated that formaldehyde is a Class 1 carcinogen, and its accumulation in GMO soybeans is alarming and requires immediate attention of the FDA. GMO soy is a widely used and consumed product in the U.S. In short, we can say that current standards of the assessment of GMOs are outdated and are not enough to declare GMOs suitable for human consumption. Current criteria for GMO assessment is only based on the superficial characteristics of taste, smell, sight, and touch. One more study published in the American Academy of Environmental Medicine stated that experiments reveal many serious health risks, such as infertility, gastrointestinal problems, and accelerated aging, are associated with genetically modified food. The allergic reactions associated with GMO soy are much higher as compared to natural soy, and many unexpected allergens are also found in GMO soy. Some other health risks of GMO soy include it impairs the process of digestion and makes your gut vulnerable to many pathogens and allergens. It's proven to be very toxic to liver cells. Experiments on animals show increased mortality rates in babies of mice which are fed with GMO soy. Egyptian researchers performed a series of experiments on animals and revealed deadly amounts of toxic compounds in the liver, spleen, testes, kidneys, and blood of rats who are fed with GMO soy. Elevated amounts of creatinine and uric acid in the blood of GMO soy-fed rats. Increased chances of breast cancer. Interferes with the normal thyroid physiology. May increase the chances of Alzheimer's disease. Harmful for babies' growth and development. Overall, 26 countries ban genetically modified foods. Surveys have shown that 90% of Americans at least want transparent GMO labeling laws. However, politicians continue to enact legislation to keep the American people in the dark and protect the interests of corporations. We have a right to know what's in our food and to know how it's grown. For we the people of the USA, in order to form a more healthy nation, have to continue to make a stand and that our voices be heard loud and clear, both with our pocketbooks and our voting ballots. See how your congressman voted. Enjoy excerpts from The Whistleblower's Confession by Jennifer Lang via the link in the press release. Jennifer Lang is available for media interviews and can be reached using the information below. The Whistleblower's Confession is available at Amazon and other online book retailers. More information is available at Lang's website. Brought to you by Datsun News Network.